Okay, welcome back to our little talk today. We'll talk about a graphic organizer for a plot diagram. Now, as a teacher, this is a great tool, one, to make sure your students actually read the assignment, and two, this is a kind of a higher level plot diagram. I would say this would be great for um, native English speakers in the high school level for their literature reading, or advanced English second language learner. And this is a great teaching tool. Graphic organizers really get your student involved in the reading. Um, this particular plot diagram features all of the literary terms that they need to know for their upcoming exams and what's expected of them for these not only American exams, but this is becoming more the international standard of dissecting literary works. Okay, so basically, let's talk about the different parts of this plot diagram. And what I like about it are the exposition titles. It really gets the student to know and understand these literary terms. Uh, this sets the pace for them for future. Um, Also, it really kind of goes into a little bit further depth of things like the theme, symbolism, foreshadowing, irony if there is any. So this is a really kind of a much higher level um, plot diagram. So where we begin is, of course, the student has to do the reading. And this can be done as they're doing it or at the end of their reading assignment. So let's take a look at a couple of the features here. Um, I really kind of like this little box down in here. This is really kind of key, the terms that they're going to need to know, as well as these here. So might want to pre-teach these vocabulary terms um, if you haven't already. So of course, some of the other features that are really kind of good. The student has to kind of label what's going on throughout the story and be able to bring it to the focal point, sort of the beginning of the end. And of course, this is the rising action, typical of any story. And of course, what is the most important action in that story, which finally leads us to the resolution. Okay, so we're going to need this here. That didn't come out very good, but you get the idea. Okay, so um, I have recommended this to teachers throughout Eastern Europe. They really liked this. It can be used as a final test, or it could be used to kind of see how well the student is doing throughout the multi-day lesson. So this is a great little graphic organizer. I'll leave a link below. It is free. It is on the internet. And you can kind of build off of this as well. So highly recommended this little tool for the graphic organizer. Okay, that's it. Short little lesson. Thanks for watching.